Yesterday。全部都係雞，全部都係雞，全部都係雞，全部都係雞，全部都係雞，全部都係雞。哇！有啲。咁我想同大家講下去咗邊啦，因為我係4個禮拜都係冇 post 過 YouTube video。咁我就係 edit 緊一個 video 叫做 CISV 啦。咁咧我就 edit 咁個片係3個禮拜咁長嘅，咁我要 edit 咁 edit 啦，所以都係幾hard. So it took me that long to edit a video. That's why I've been gone. How I feel yesterday. All my troubles seem so far away. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I'm eating my mask. In yesterday.咁 F 就問緊點解我唔冚住我隻鼻，因為好長啦。咁我覺得冇人個鼻會咁長噶咯，要唞氣咧。咁我就呼吸咁睇下，睇住啦。6、5、4、3、2、1。你好，大家，Hi guys, welcome back to my channel。咁我今日係好開心啦，因為我去旺角度買啲 plants。我個房都係未整完嘅，所以好多人都係咁問我 do a room tour, do a room tour, and I really do want to, but I'm not ready yet. It's not ready yet. 咁 that is my goal today, to get plants。同埋我個爸想去尖沙咀睇下啲 cameras because my dad loves cameras as much as I do. So we're gonna go check out the cameras. So let's go. Come, let's go now. Let's go. Go, go, let's go. Let's go. Bye bye. Bye bye. 咁我個爸咧有啲蕩失路啦，佢唔知我哋喺邊度，同埋用緊 Google Map 度揾個鋪頭。
其實有個朋友介紹啲嘅嘢。
咁我哋蕩失路 again 啦，阿爸真係唔知道我哋喺邊度。Guess what, guys? We went to the wrong store. What's up? It's like the weirdest place. Look at office.
What do you think?
咁我哋而家喺花墟度。開心，真係好開心啊！快啲㗎！You happy?
Happy.
Like, I'm pretty happy with what I got, but I want to get more plants. So, yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 3. 咁今日係中秋節啦，所以 所以中秋 to everyone 中秋節快樂。Yeah, I'm going to my Zhongyima's place to have barbecue, and that's how we're gonna celebrate 中秋節, and we're gonna have lanterns and mooncakes and lots of barbecue. And lots of pork chop. So let's go!
Stand behind your yellow line, please. Okay.
我唔攞我
中秋節快樂！
快樂！
根本burger 嘛，不是這樣。
唔係佢翻屋企嗰段路唔
雞翼腸仔。
Jake, you look angry. Jake looks mad. That's better.
Hello. No.
幫我啊！
我俾你係啊，我俾你係啊。
1、2、3。
你好。中秋節快樂。
I have 2 koalas. 1、2、3跳。3、2、1。Woo!
OK。得未啊？